The cow is a domestic animal. It is a four-footed animal. It has a large body, 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and 2 horns. Its body is covered with fur. It eats grasses, leaves, straw. Cows are usually very gentle in nature. The cow is found all over the world. It is found in different shape, size, and colors. A female cow gives us milk, which is an ideal food. We can get lot of products from the milk like ghee, cream, butter, etc. Cow dung is best for agriculture. It is also used as fuel. The cow is very useful to us. Cow gives us lots of benefit, although her life and even after death.